In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a page in WordPress. By the end, you'll know how to find the right tool on WordPress.com and start the setup so you can lock down pages or posts behind a password when you need to share sensitive or members-only content. First, head to WordPress.com sites and choose the site you want to secure. Once you're looking at your site management area, go to the Plugins section. If you don't see plugins in your sidebar, that may mean your plan doesn't support third-party plugins yet, so make sure your site is on a plan that allows them. From the Plugins area, you'll use the search tools provided by WordPress.com to find a reliable password protection solution. In the search field, type Password Protect. This will filter the plugin directory to options designed for restricting access. Look for the plugin entry labeled PPWP, Password Protect Pages. You might also see a longer description that mentions protecting pages and posts by user roles, using multiple passwords, or even securing your entire site behind a single password. That's the one we want. Click into that listing to open its details page. On the plugin page, take a moment to review the key tabs. Under Description, you'll get a clear overview of what the plugin does and the basic features you'll use to lock individual pages or posts. Switch to the Installation tab to understand how the plugin is added and activated in the WordPress.com environment. The changelog shows recent updates, which is a good sign the plugin is actively maintained. And the FAQs section answers common questions, like how to share passwords securely, how long passwords last, and what visitors will see when a page is protected. Skimming these tabs now saves time later. When you're ready, click Get Started. WordPress.com will guide you through connecting this plugin to a site. You'll be prompted to choose a domain. If you want a new web address, use Search Domains to find one that fits. If you already have a domain, choose the option that indicates you already own one, then continue to the domain input screen to connect it. Follow the prompts on each page to move forward. After you finish the domain step and the plugin is added to your site, you'll complete activation from your dashboard. From there, the plugin will guide you through creating passwords and applying protection to specific